Everybody, welcome back. In this video we will be creating a bottle. So to create the bottle we first need a few reference images. So this is what I got in the internet. You can just look at this and create one, or you can just bring this. Yeah, you have to bring this in here. Load reference, alt R, RX9D, and go to front view, go to the image properties, and decrease that, decrease the opacity and shift A, add a cube, tab M at center and extrude it until it finishes. Extrude. Yeah, just one more thing to tell you that it might take a whole hour to make this, because that's how much time it took me to create this before the recording. And just extrude them. By the way, this image looks cool. If you want this image, you can just go ahead and go to the in the search engine and just type in milk bottle reference to get this. So yeah, now let's continue making until you reach the end. Okay, there's a bit of yes, perfect. Now go down again and go to the modify tab, add modifier, and add a screw. Now as you can see, it's slashed. Now we might have this some people might have this type of a hole, like after creating some people, like for some people only this will happen. So if you have this hole, hit G, shift V and close it like this. Close it, or you can just hit tab, control A, tab, and after tab, and you can see this will be selected. So hit M at center. Done. You can fix it like that. Now add a modifier called the Solidify, and hit this button a few times to create a few like thickness for our bottle. Actually, bottle does not have that much thickness. Yes, control A. Now add a modifier called the subdivision to smoothen it off at the very end. That, look at that, smooth and refreshing. Now we have now created the main part of our bottle. We just need to create the other part. So hit 3 or select this, select, control click, control click, control click. Okay, hit E, control plus alt E, extrude faces along normals, and done. Now extrude that. Dollar, do that. Sheet smooth. Oh yes, it looks good now. Next, hit shift A, add a cube, slash and tab, control 2, to automatically add a subdivision and create like that, and enable it smooth. And yes, sorry, okay, smooth. Control A. This shape might be looking like a bullet, but just it will be enough for the let me show you. Yes, it might just be enough for the thing you see here. This yeah, these type of things might be in beers and all. So, but in this case, this is in a bottle, so we have to make it. Just delete that. Alt H. Sorry, slash. Now select, go into position, rotate it, scale it, and position it right there. Yes. Now just click that, go to the material properties, hit new, and make it like look like a brownish thing. Yes, yeah, look, it looks good. Next one, click the cube one, no, not cube one, base, and rename the other one as cap. Select this, hit new, and go down to the transmission and increase it. Increase the default value up, and then just go to the shading tab, hit N, and let me see, from opaque to alpha hash, not alpha hash to alpha hash. Now it's done. Now shift A light, and then scale it, put the light up there, shift A plane, increase the light, tab to select E, and yeah, just go ahead here and change it to cycles. Oh, and now it looks good. And grind that up. Go to front view, shift D, duplicating it, and rotate view, shift D, and put it, rotate it, and rotate it, grab it. Now when I see that he defined limit, I think this is a bit more 100%. So just grab. Yes. Now go back and look at that. Looking good. Okay, or you can just go ahead. Maybe EV. In EV it doesn't look good. Let me just try to fix it. Yeah, it won't look good in EV. So, but cycles, if you want to use cycles, it will take a lot of your computer's power, or you need a GPU compute. Just change it to GPU compute if you have one. Let me show you. In here, sometimes it will be none here, so I just change it to CUDA. In CUDA I have the GeForce GT 730, which is also my display, and my Intel Core i5 9400 CPU at 2.90 gigahertz. So, or you can use optics. Yeah, I don't have optics, so I'll just use that. No, I'll just use that. Okay, okay, good. Like that. Go ahead, hit the noise. Now, shift the camera, control alt 0, position it. Yes, click, click, and position it. Go in, and view, camera to view, and camera to view. Go in. I feel like the image, this thing is the edge here is, this edge is hard, so let me just hit Control B, do that. Yes, okay, check move. Now it looks good. Okay, now go ahead and enjoy your bottle. Yeah, we are done here. So remember to save your file. Go to the file, save as. I'm going to save it in my desktop, and I'm going to name it as milk. No, it's not milk bottle. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just name it milk bottle. Okay, you can give this a name or something like that. Yeah, that's it. That is it. Now you can just go ahead, go hit the render image and render your image out. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Subscribe with post notifications, like the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.